Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at a plane surfaces. Today discuss about topics explain about activity 1 and activity 2 and activity 3. Let's start the class. Explain about activity 1. Question: explain your observation when you see a pencil kept in a glass tumbler of water. Okay, explain your observation when you see a pencil kept in a glass tumbler of water. This is question. Now take a glass. Take a glass tumbler. This is a glass tumbler. Take a glass tumbler. After take a water. Take a water. Water. Okay. Two mediums is there. Okay. Upper medium, rarer medium. Upper medium, rarer medium. Okay. Rarer medium is a air. Rarer medium is a air. Okay. This is a denser medium. Denser medium is a water. Denser medium is a water. Right? Denser medium. Denser medium. Okay, how many mediums is there? There are two. Rarer medium and denser medium. Next after that, take a pencil. Take a pencil. Keep a pencil in it. Keep a pencil in it. This is pencil. Right? Pencil. Pencil. See the pencil from the side of the glass. Side of the glass. You observe that the part of the in air and water appear disjointed. Disjoint is there. Okay, this is called refraction. This is called refraction. Okay, pencil some bending is there. Okay, bend is called refraction. See the pencil from the top of the glass. Top of the glass. It appears somewhat thicker when observed from the top of the glass. Okay, this is called refraction. Okay, this is activity 1. Activity 1, some practical. Okay, take a plastic glass. Take a plastic glass with water. With water. With water. Okay, with water. Okay, you see this is plastic glass. Okay, upper side rarer medium. Upper side rarer medium. Okay, downside denser medium. Denser medium is a water. Rarer medium is a air. Okay, next after that, keep a pencil in it. Keep a pencil in it. Keep a pencil in it. Okay, see the pencil from the side of the glass. See the pencil from the side of the glass. You observe that the part of the in air and water, in air and water, disjointed, disjointed, disjointed. Okay, because this is refraction. Okay, see the pencil from the top of the glass, it appear somewhat thicker. Okay, thicker when observed from the top of the glass. Okay, this one air, this upper side is a air. Okay, this is thicker. Some bend is there. Okay, this example for refraction. This is activity 1. Next one, explain about activity 2. Okay, question number 2. Explain the formation of image and a long wall facing sun. Okay, this is question. Okay, this is wall. This is wall. Okay, nearly 30 feet long. Nearly 30 feet long. Nearly this length 30 feet. Okay, go to a long wall. This is wall. Okay, after that, facing the sun, facing the sun, facing the sun, facing the sun. Okay, you go to the one end of a wall, end of the wall. You go to the one end of the wall and ask your friend to bring a bright metal. Bright metal means object, one mirror near the other end of the wall. Okay, your friend, other end of the wall, your friend. Okay, this is mirror. Bring a bright object, mirror. This one, mirror. Okay, when the object is a few inches from the wall, object few inches from the wall, okay, it will distort and you will see reflected image in the wall, as though the wall a mirror, the wall a mirror. This is due to refraction. This is activity 2. Next one, activity 3. Question number 3. So that the speed of light changes when light propagates from one medium to another medium. Okay, this is question. This activity, take a plastic glass. Okay, after that, take a 2 rupees coin. Place a coin at the bottom of the plastic glass. Place a coin at the bottom of the plastic glass. Move a wave from the glass until you cannot see the coin. Okay, stand there and ask your friend to fill the glass with water. Glass with water. Glass with water. When the glass the filled with water, the coin comes back into view. Okay, coin also after that bigger size. You observe bigger size come back into view. Okay, this can be possible only when the speed of light changes at interfaces of two media. Two media. Okay, two media means medium. Okay, first medium and second medium. First medium, rarer medium. Second medium, denser medium. Okay, because the speed of light is different in different mediums. Okay, this conclusion, the speed of light changes when light propagates from the one medium to another medium. One medium to another medium. This is activity 3.